I know it's hard to see this because it's clear, but have you seen these? Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, this is a craft room organizational game changer for me. Stay tuned. Welcome, my friends. I am so glad that you're here. Whether you've been with me a long time or you're new to my channel, I want to thank you personally for stopping by today and spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it. Sometimes when I'm on Amazon, I'm not even looking for anything crafty. I'm looking for something for my home, or I'm looking for something for Mike, or I'm looking for something for my daughter. And I happen to run across an item that really catches my eye. And y'all, this is the item that caught my eye. I've already been in the process of going through everything in my crafty studio, everything. I'm sorting papers, I'm sorting embellishments, I'm going through everything because I really want to do some decluttering as well as reorganizing. And when I saw this, I thought it might just help me. Now, it's not advertised for the craft room, but any of you who know me, you know that I don't follow the norms. It doesn't have to be for the craft room for me to use it in the craft room. So I'm going to switch to my overhead camera in just a minute. But before I do, I wanted to point out my t-shirt. My daughter is now making all of my merch. Right now she has t-shirts and tumblers available. She's working on tote bags and other items, but I'm going to have her linked because this is her new little venture and I really want to support her. So the t-shirt that I'm wearing says Posh, established in 2018. That is when I joined YouTube. So I really do enjoy this particular design. Now on her website, she will have a lot of Posh merch, but she's also going to have some other items that she is designing on there that won't be Posh related. So if you want to rock some Posh merch, and I hope that you do, head on out to my daughter's website. She'd love to have your support. I'll have the link in the description box below. This is something that she has decided that she wants to do full time. And I, as her mom, will do everything that I can to help support and to help encourage her. Now, I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because I really want to share this awesome find with you. Y'all know I spend a lot of time on Amazon, and Amazon will make recommendations to me. Sometimes it's a crafty recommendation, and sometimes it's not. Now, I apologize for how this looks. I don't have any better way of displaying it because it is a clear piece of acrylic. It is 8 inches tall by 11 inches wide, and it stands like this. So, what is this? This is actually designed for closet organization. You have this piece right here at the bottom that will clamp onto the shelf in your closet. And as far as I know, it's designed to work with the solid shelving and not the wire shelving. So it will grip onto that, and you can use it as a divider between shirts, shoes, purses, and other items that you might have in your closet. It is a great little system to help you keep everything in its place in your closet. So if it works for the closet, then shouldn't it work for the craft room? I think so. So I ordered a set of 6 and I decided I would try them in my Kallax system. The Kallax system, the Better Homes and Garden system, or other shelving systems, they all have similar dimensions. So this works in my Kallax and it'll probably work in your shelving system. So if you're using a bookcase and the shelving in the bookcase is no more than 1 inch thick and it's at least 11 inches deep, you can probably make this work. And I only ordered 6 because I wasn't sure whether or not this would work for me in the way that I thought. I was concerned that as I stacked items against it, it would tilt over, but I'm not finding that to be the case. I have a video that I'll share with you in just a second of me actually using these to store paper pads in my Kallax. That's the primary way that I'll probably use these. I'll use these to store those paper pads so that I can just slide them out. I might even store some of my 12 by 12s using these. I haven't decided yet. But if you're looking for a nice vertical system for storing your papers or your paper pads or other items that you might have in your crafting space that you're trying to really rein in and get under control, this might just work for you because I know that it is now working for me. And I want to say this. This is a non-sponsored video. This company did not contact me. I did not contact them. This was simply an Amazon recommendation. When I was out looking at Amazon, I thought I would give it a try, but I will have it linked in my description box below. I've been in my studio organizing and destashing, and I've been going through every single paper, and I'm reorganizing exactly how I lay things out. And the timing on this recommendation by Amazon was perfect because this will allow me to put my books in my calyx vertically so that when I'm looking for a book, I can just slide it out and put it right back in. So I'm going to show you that video so that you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so let me show you how easy it is to actually use these. They have the little clip here that you just open, and it opens about 1 inch wide. So if this is 1 inch thick, it should be able to fit it. But we put it in and we slide it back and the grip catches. So now I can just take some of my crafty little books and we're going to put some in like this. And then I'll just lift up and we can get that nice and tight. Then I can take some more books if I want, or some 12 by 12 papers. We can just put these in and just keep putting them in. Then I'm going to take another one of these, put it in. And then what I like to do is sort of lift up, scoot that under, and push it over. So now you can see I have my books standing up here. So you just keep doing it. I'm adding more books. I haven't organized these books yet, so I'm just doing this to show you how easy it is for us to be able to organize and coordinate our books. So as you take a book out, just slide this over to keep everything nice and tight. You can push these back. This goes back 11 inches deep, so you really do get some great coverage. And it really is an easy system to configure. If I want, I can just put 2 of these in here, or I can put 1 of these in here. I really like how easy this is. I like how easy it is for me to flip through, decide the book that I want, and I can just slide it out. And then of course I'll slide that over to keep everything tight until I bring the book back and replace it. Now, I don't know about you, but getting organized really excites me. There's just something about having everything in its place and being able to go pull out exactly what it is that you're looking for and then having a place to slide it back in. I personally love it, and that is why I'm going to go back and order some more of these, because I want to be able to do this throughout my entire crafting space. So when I say I'm going to order more of these, I will probably end up, when I'm finished, with about 30 of these all together. That's how many I think I need to be able to do what it is I want to do. But I wanted to share this with you. I wanted to give you a real world look of how it can be used. So for those of you who might have been looking for some vertical storage ideas, this might just be helpful to you. And even if you don't use it in your craft room, I can see this being helpful to me in my kitchen pantry. I can see this being helpful to me in one of the linen closets. I can see this being helpful to me in a shelf in my refrigerator, that I think having a couple of these might be perfect. So y'all, I hope that you've enjoyed this quick share. And if you have enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, this is what we do. Not only do we do paper crafting, but we share great ideas or great finds that might be helpful to you. So if you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.